This is the Genesis Electrified GV70. If equipped, the Electrified GV70's Smart Posture Care System is designed to help detect and provide an optimized seating position for the driver. This system can provide a healthy posture position for the driver's back and sets the steering wheel, side view mirrors, and head-up display positions according to the driver's body measurements. To start, ensure that the vehicle is on and the gear is in park, with the parking brake set. On the infotainment settings menu, select Setup, Vehicle Settings, Seat, Smart Posture Care, then enter driver's information. Enter the driver's information for height, sitting height, and weight. Select Posture Analysis to analyze the current seating position. If the current position is not optimal, select Adjust Posture, and Smart Posture Care will adjust the driver's seat, steering wheel, side view mirrors, and head-up display to the optimal positions. The new seating position can be saved by pressing the Set button on the driver's door, and then the number 1 or 2 memory buttons within 4 seconds. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.